Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a dinosaur, starting by making the face of the dinosaur. We're gonna add the eyes and the nose and the smile. After that we're gonna make the pattern like this and then making the long tail also. After that we are going to make the body including the hands and the toes. Then we are going to start coloring it by using green pencil color. You can use sketch pen as well if you want, and then we are going to use dark green color for coloring its pattern at the back. When it's ready, you can see it looks so good and beautiful. Next we are going to make a cat, starting by simply making the face of the cat and the ears. We are going to make the eyes as well and highlighting them with the same pen. Then we are going to make the nose, mouth and the mustache. After it's done, we are going to make the body including the legs of her and making the long tail as well. Then we are going to give a pattern to her long tail and then start coloring it by using pink color for the ears and then for the mouth. After that, using grey colored sketch pen for the body and then for the face. We're also gonna give some striped effect to our cat by using black sketch pen, and then at last we are going to detail the toes as well, and there you see your cat is completed and looking so good. Next we are going to make carrot and red chili, starting by making the carrot. We're gonna make the carrot body and then the stem of it, then highlighting it a bit by using this black pen. Then we're gonna move ahead towards our chilies, starting by making the body as well and then the stem. After that, start coloring it by green color for the carrot stem and for the chilies body, and then we are using orange color for the carrot and then dark green color for the chili stem, and they are completed. Next we are going to make a bird, starting by making the body and the face. We're going to make the long legs and then we are going to make the eyes and the long beak as well. After that we are going to make a crown on his head like this and then start coloring it by using pink colored sketch pen and then coloring the crown as well with the yellow color and coloring the water with blue.